In today's video, I'm going to show you how I take this flat sheet of paper and turn it into this beautiful foil stamped receipt holder. The first step I'm going to show you is how I foil stamp the logo. Here I'm taking the foil stamping plate and locking it up to the honeycomb. Once our plate is secure, we can load it into the press. I chose this satin gold foil to complement the paper that I'm going to be using. Once our make ready is finished, it's time to hit an impression. And I'm really happy with the result. What do you guys think? Next up, it's time to die cut and crease our receipt holder. For this step, we'll be using our die cutting die. You can think of this as a giant cookie cutter. Here we're using our spacers to center our die, and then we're going to lock it up using our coin. Next, we're going to add our creasing matrix. I use this tool to cut it to the correct length that I need. I find the correct length by putting the matrix onto the score rule and giving a hard press to create an indent where I need to cut it. In this close-up, you can see how it holds itself in place. And I repeat those steps for the last two scores. Next, I peel the backing off to expose the adhesive that's going to stick to the top plate. Then we load the die into the press and hit an impression. Now that we have our matrix in position, we can peel off the top layer, leaving only the channel. This is what actually creates the creases in the paper. Now I can die cut and crease the paper simultaneously. Now that we have our die cut pieces, we'll remove the waste and complete our receipt holder. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe for more content like this.